Now I will show you how to add a camera, a 4G camera with the QR method.
Start 4G mode. The network is connecting. .4G network connection succeeded.
Now the camera is connected with the 4G network, so I just need to scan the QR code of the camera. So first of all, I will select my model from the application. Here I will select CP-Z32G as I am using the same model. Then click on the scan now option and I will scan the QR code of this camera. It is scanned and now the device will get added soon. Yes, the device is added now and I will click on done and it will show me the preview.